In today's video, I will be showing you how I made my existing cross member on my 84 K10 work for my 4L60 5.3 swap. I know you could buy a pre-made cross member for a 4L60 swap, but I figured the amount of money that it cost me to buy the scrap metal and the time it took me to weld in, it worked out great. I had to go to my local metal shop to get some 3/16 scrap from them. I didn't have any 3/16 at home, so I had to go buy it. It was at 50 cents a pound, and I bought a pound, so that was pretty cheap. No way. After buying some new wire and putting it back in the machine, I ended up finishing the welding, but I completely forgot to record or hit the record button on the phone while welding. So here's the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that like button. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you like, what you didn't like. And please subscribe to my channel if you can. God bless you guys.